Meet the Leaders is a yearly event organized by Boertien Vergouwen Overduin and ICA. We do that to combine the leaders of today with the leaders of tomorrow so they can share their insights and learn from each other.
That's what makes Meet the Leaders special. Bridging the gap, making sure that young professionals have a chance to meet all those different leaders.
You bring your experience to this event, but also you will learn a lot more stuff and bring that back to your work again. So yeah, that worked out perfectly.
This year, the Meet the Leaders is organized by two companies, which is a first, TNO and BMW. We are at BMW, and the benefit from being here is that we can combine it with doing test drives in the newest BMWs. The event consists of several aspects. We have a keynote, we have a panel discussion. Different leaders from different companies get to share their different views. And after that, there are 1 or 2 rounds in which the young professionals in smaller groups can ask their questions to 10 to 15 leaders and really get their angle on what they want to know.
Sometimes you can ask a question that you would normally really feel comfortable about, like what's actually something that keeps you awake at night?
I mean, I'm still in the beginning of my career and I would want to hear how they got to the top and how that would be in today's world.
What are the signs at which it's time to abandon ship? It's time to change roles.
The path you're walking right now, is that the path you really want? So listen to your gut feeling, and that's the lesson I learned today.
I think one of the most interesting things that I got asked is also the most difficult to answer. What made you make certain choices in your career path, but also what are the biggest failures and your difficult choices to make. And there was a person a bit careful, yeah, can I ask you a critical question? I said, of course. But I think that's a valid question too. You cannot only bring positive messages about technology, there's also downsides we have to deal with.
It's always inspiring to know that at least you will help 1 or more people with their career choices and struggles that they have.